We're now getting joined by Cheryl Bauer and Allison Mihalich from Campus Dining and the Office of Sustainability. Who are going to tell us all about Grind to Energy. This newly implemented food waste system is poised to reduce non-consumable food waste on campus by more than 2,000 pounds per day. And Notre Dame is only the second university in the nation to invest in this innovative system. Cheryl, Allison, thank you guys so much for joining us today. Let's talk about sustainability on campus. You have to imagine a school this big with this many students. How serious of an issue is food waste, specifically from the dining halls, but all over campus?
Sure, absolutely. So food waste on campus is a huge issue. We realized that we were generating over 1 ton of food waste a day just at our 2 dining halls and our catering operation alone. And so the Grind to Energy solution is answering the call to divert food waste from the landfill.
All right, let's get to the nitty-gritty. How does the system actually work?
It's really simple. Imagine at home you have an incinerator. It's that on steroids, if you will. You're able to put down things like the tops of a pineapple and grind it up and liquefy it in seconds.
And then all of that's becoming clean energy, right?
It is. So the beauty of the solution, like Cheryl said, is its simplicity. It's essentially just a grind table and a tank that sits in the exterior of the building. The food is turned into a slurry where it's heated in the tank and can sit, and then it's taken to a local dairy farm where it's turned into methane, and then that methane is captured and is sold back to the grid.
So this system was first installed at the Notre Dame Center for Culinary Excellence. Has it been impactful so far in its use?
It has been. So at the Center for Culinary Excellence, the system was installed on January 14th, right before the polar vortex hit, and it survived. And so far, it has avoided 7.5 tons of carbon from entering the atmosphere. And it has some really cool data points around it. We've diverted about 11 tons of food waste from the landfill, and that is equivalent to taking 20,000 fewer miles driven.
Wow,
Yeah.
That's incredible. So the plan is that this system is going to be going into the north and south dining halls. How much food waste and reduction are you expecting those 2 installations to create?
Well, just in the dining halls alone, we're expecting it to be about 8 tons a week.
Wow.
But then over the course of the year, we're looking around 400 tons for the 3 facilities.
So this is kind of revolutionary for the food system here.
It is, and it can accept 99.9% of all food waste, everything except mollusks like oysters or mussels.
And I don't remember them being in the dining hall all that often, not a lot of shellfish. So this sounds really incredible. Why is this initiative so important for Notre Dame to be getting on board now with?
Sure, so it honors our commitment that we set. It's aligned with our waste diversion sustainability goal. And I will plug, if I may, the Office of Sustainability does have an eco fund on Notre Dame Day, and we could use your votes to help with future initiatives like this.
And that's the whole point. This is Notre Dame Day. We're trying to spread the love around campus. Thank you both for joining us today. This is some really incredible work you guys are working on for the dining halls and culinary systems.